Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about how we made a little over $3,800 in the past week from swing trading. We're going to be talking about some tips, some tricks, some strategies you guys can use to start making money from swing trading. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys do, hit that like button, subscribe. And if you guys want to learn more about swing trading, check out our school. It's awesome. It's the Swing Trading Masterclass. We have private live streams, we have quizzes, we have a group chat, we have lectures, we have a final like in school. It's absolutely fantastic. You know, I would highly recommend it. And you guys can use code Halloween to get 50% off. So check it out down below. That code's only valid till Halloween. So make sure you guys check it out. Sign up. I'll see you guys in there. It's an awesome sale. So guys, let's jump into this here. So this past week here, we've had a great week. And what's crazy is always historically, at least for me in September, I've always had a little bit of a sluggish month. And last month, you know, we made about $4,000. And I thought, okay, well, you know, really over the past 6 years, almost 50% of my total income from trading comes at the last 3 months. So I came into this month with a lot of optimism because I know what can happen. Now, we did kind of do some things that are a little outside our norm for our approach, and we'll show you guys that here. So very, very simple here. For me, you know, we took 2 trades here, you know, and you guys will notice we're up about $3,800. We're holding Tesla. We made $2,300 off that. You know, we're in on 2 positions as of right now. One is $2,300. The other is about $210. So why do we trade this? So for Tesla here, that's the main question, right? That's why everybody clicked on this video, because this is the baller stock. You know, so for me, you guys will notice here, we've seen this good trend line where it hits this line several times, you know, establishing some good support. So now the thought process I had behind this here was entering on this trend line, keeping our stop loss just below it for a target price up at resistance. You guys can see this window here where it hits this, and we just have that natural tendencies of getting that selling pressure. So entering here for a possible breakout going higher. So now, right, entering there, keeping our stop loss just below it, just below that trend line. Our target up here is a 6-to-1 risk and reward. That's the thought process I had, and I was well aware that this position could go one of 2 ways. You know, if they released a bad earnings, I wouldn't be surprised if it went back down to the 160 to 180 levels. But also, I was hoping for this. You know, if we look close here, you guys will notice where we saw this huge sell-off. This wasn't due to bad earnings. This wasn't due to bad financials. This was due to a event called the Robotaxi event. For those of you that watched, we live streamed it. And honestly, I had a lot of optimism for it. I actually really enjoyed it. Yes, they did lack some information. And yeah, I get that. I get why investors would be worried, but it just caused huge amount of sell-off. Found some support here, in my opinion, that was very undervalued, and the stock popped up. Now, holding through an earnings report is very risky. I wouldn't recommend it for beginners that are just starting out for trading, just because it can go either way. You know, a lot of members in the course were like, "Oh man, I sold out of Tesla before earnings," and honestly, you played it good. Yeah, you didn't make money off it, but you played it well. You reduced your risk. And what that does is for future trades, it makes you realize, okay, holding through an earnings, this thing can sell off. So you just got to understand that, and Tesla's been a great move. But TXM, here's another position that we took here. The thought process I had with this one is very, very simple. You guys will notice it has that good trend line acting as support, right? It was also trading for a 36 on the RSI, which is historically an undervalued point. You guys can see an undervalued point for the stock. So I thought, okay, we could enter here, right? We'll actually go to a lower time frame because you guys can see the breakout here. So let's go ahead and get this. Boom. So entering here at about $200, keeping our stop loss, so the max amount of money we're willing to lose, just below that. Setting our target back up in that window of resistance is about almost a 5-to-1 risk and reward. So the thing about trading is, yes, we've had a great couple of trades, but you guys will notice that I'm always looking at my risk my risk management. Risk management is crucial for trading. Even with that Tesla play, I had a stop in mind. You know, looking back here, you guys will notice that our stop was near and around this window right here. That's the thought I had about 206, risking a little bit of money for that breakout. So, trading, a lot of it just comes down to that approach of risk management. So if you guys want to learn how to trade, check out our school. It's awesome. You won't regret it. Private live streams, quizzes, lectures, and you guys can use code Halloween for 50% off. And guys, the broker we use, everybody asks every single video almost. They message me and they go, what broker do you use? It's Moomoo. I'll put it down below. It really helps with that risk management because they have that tool. So check it out. I'll see you guys. But hope you guys enjoyed it. And yes, this is the second time filming this video. For some reason, there were some major audio issues, so I hope this one works. So we'll see you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Take care.